viewers, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Beckybecks. I bring you awesome, fun and timely content on all my platforms, so follow me on there. Eish, I just sang my intro. How have you guys been? I hope you guys have been well and kept and sustained of the Lord. I hope Jesus has been watching over your lives, because he has watched over my life. And welcome to another video. Thank you for your support on all my previous content. I am so grateful. I am so blessed, so excited to have all you guys as my online family. If you're not subscribed, join the fam. Subscribe. If you're not following me on Instagram, the link is up here. Please go onto Instagram and follow me, and there's also a link down here. The name and the link will be in the description box. Follow me, subscribe, like, share, comment. Let's do the let's do this, guys. We can do this. Nothing we cannot do together. I'm just happy. I don't know why, but I'm having a great day. It's a film day. This is my third video of the day, and I have one more to go. And I feel really nice. I feel really amazing, because today I have been talking about things I love. I have been filming videos I wanted to film for a while, and there are things that are close to my heart, so you can understand. You can, understand where this joy and this oh, my ring light just fell, where this joy is coming from. But this is a video that has been inspired by the one and only amazing Dima Ume. She is from Nigeria. I love her content. I love her videos. I love everything about her. And yeah, so if you don't follow Dim, kindly subscribe to Dima's channel. You will not be disappointed. But yeah, she did a video recently on things that she will not be buying in 2021, and I thought it is very important and very prudent for me to tell you guys about things I will not be buying this year. These are things that I have been buying all the previous years, and I honestly don't see financial sense, and I don't see them adding any value to my life this year, so I am not going to be buying them at all. And also, this video I am doing just to encourage some of y'all to stop buying some of the things that you don't need. And also, I hope to get your feedback in the comment section about things that you're not going to be buying, so that I can see if maybe there's something you mentioned that I forgot that I should not be buying, that I will then add to my list, And also, this video is going to keep me very accountable this year, because every time I want to buy it, I'm just going to be scrolling on YouTube and see the video and things I'm not buying, and see, oopsie, honey, sorry, come by there, it's in the video. So yeah, I know guys, you're wondering, I'm just happy. I'm just excited. My life is going great. Everything is working out. So yeah, I'm excited. Guys, before I start this video, my condolences to the Tanzanians. So sorry for the loss of your president. Guys, let us stay safe. Coronavirus is not gone. Just wear your mask. I feel so paranoid, because I'm supposed to go to town today, and I don't know. I'm just feeling like, guy, will I go into a matatu? Will I sit with somebody? It's crazy. And I feel like even the law enforcement, wamelegeza kamba, they don't check anymore. They just taking the bribes from the matatu guys so that they can overload, and it's crazy. But do your part, stay safe, do your part to keep your family safe, because family is everything. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing my part. The first thing I am not buying this year is store-bought detergent, like Jik, Bleach. I'm not buying. I will not buy it. Guys, I don't know. These things started happening a lot last year, because we were at home last year for the longest time ever. And this I am borrowing from my auntie where we live, because she also does not buy store-bought Jik. She went to these shops in town that have the ingredients for making it at home, and she buys it, and she makes 10 liters, and it lasts more than it stays for so long. By the time she's buying it again, it is economical, and it works better than store-bought Bleach. Honey, it's easier on your hands. I'm telling you, that thing is amazing. It is life. That is what I'm going to be doing this year. I will not be buying it. I will just be using right now, there's one I carried from home. Once that bottle, and I also don't use Bleach that much, I just used to waste my money. Once that is done, I just take it, go back home, carry some more, come and fill my jar, because I am trying to be on the financial saving money mindedness train. That is the train that I am on. If you're not on that train, jump on. Ish, I'm on, jump on. I'm making them rhyme. Another thing that I am not buying this year is Vim. If you have not watched my previous, I don't know when I posted it, but I will link it here. It's a vlog. I was doing an unboxing and a shopping haul, sorry, and I showed you guys the store-bought Vim that I buy, the refilling one, the one that is 60 bob for a lot of Vim. That is the one I'm buying. The Vim I am using right now is lavender scented, and guys, I got it in early 2019. We are in 2021. The jar is not, it is not over. Why am I, excuse me, why am I going to buy it again? I am not going to buy it again. I will not. I am not going to buy store-bought Vim because I need to be saving my money. And on this channel, we are all about affordable living, save your money tips. This is another tip. Even if you own a household, buy it, refill that jar that you have. The one that I bought is in my pantry because the one that I bought in 2019 is not yet over. Guys, what makes you think I'll be buying it this year? I am not. I honestly will not buy it. I'm not going to be putting my money into it. Another thing I am not going to be buying is disinfectant, like Dettol, Savlon. Out of the two, there is a brand. I don't want to mention the brand, and then people will come and tell me, they will come and report my video. There is one brand of this disinfectant that I bought. Guys, I finished it yesterday. Since 2019, it's not funny. Because I remember early 2019, I did such a big shopping haul for my house. At the beginning of the year, I bought pants, I bought everything big for my house. Guys, that thing ended like just the other day when my foot got hurt because I really wanted to bathe with disinfected water to wash it. That is when that thing ended, and I am not purchasing it again. I will not buy it again because I don't use it for bathing. The bar soap that I use has disinfect. That one will disinfect everything. I will not be putting my money into it. I shall not. And something else that I am at the brink of stopping to buy is Star Soft for clothes, like fabric softener. The Star Soft, there is, what is the name of it's called what? It is called, I don't know the way it's called. Fabric, there's this very popular one. I'm not buying that thing. I will not buy it because it is not used in my house. The only person that uses it is me. When I leave people to wash my clothes for me, they will not use it. Then it will stay here. The one that I bought in my other haul, the beginning of the month, I bought because the one that I bought in 2019 had just ended, and right now it's still, I've used it once. I don't know, I keep forgetting to use it. So please, I am saving my coins. Those are the household things I am not going to put my money into buying. Thank you. Another thing that I am not buying this year is unnecessary home appliances. For example, my blender. Somebody tell me where I bought a blender worth 3,500. Why did I buy a blender worth 3,500? That this year alone, I have been here since January. I've used it once. Why? It was just on. It's not even in a respectable place. It was on top of my cabinets because I don't even touch it. I literally used it this week because my sister wanted butternut soup. That is the only time I used it. Guys, home appliances this year, I honestly don't think I am putting my money into them. I urgently need an iron box, but I think the one I have will stay until the end. It is still ironing. Do you see me with an ironed clothes? My clothes are ironed now. I will stay with it like that. I am not. And that's the thing. Like, home appliances are so tempting. I remember late last year I had saved up money to go and buy a fridge, to go and buy a microwave. And then I went to the shop and I was like, honey, where are you buying these things? Just get other things that you. So I got a carpet, I got duvets, I got beddings. Guys, I'm not buying. I'm not buying. And something else that I am almost not buying this year is a phone. Guys, if I show you my phone, you will not believe it. You will not believe that is the phone this content creator uses to post those fire photos on Instagram that you like. You will not believe it. But that's another thing that if you took a dog, I will not buy it this year. Another thing that I am not buying this year is filming equipment. Guys, I spent so much money last year to buy filming equipment for it to come and do nonsense on me. Where is that? Did I tell you guys my handheld tripod broke? I had to take it to a guy to chomelate because I am not that any. It's that bad. I am not buying. I will not buy. Let me look for. Where is that thing? Let me show you guys. Again, don't laugh. Let me get it. Guys, this thing will not focus. I don't know why. But if I show you this thing, it is literally, you see here, ni kuchomelewa. I took it to a guy that fixed it. I am that serious about my money this year. I am not. I will not. Okay, guys, this thing is not focusing. I will not buy. If you guys have not seen, guy, it will not focus. But you guys have seen what I'm saying. I'm not buying. I am not buying filming equipment. I have 2 ring lights. I have a camera from a friend of mine that I borrow when I need to bulk film. I have a microphone. I don't feel the need to buy any more filming equipment, and that is not something that I am buying this year. Another thing that I am not buying this year is cheap shoes, bags. I'm not. No. I decluttered my house the beginning of this year. Actually, end of last year, I made time to come here. Sorry. Made time to come to my house and just clean out in preparation for this year. And guys, the dustbin outside, the main dustbin of this building, it was full of my bags. Because the strap is not working, the zipper broke 1 week after I bought it for 300 in town. I am not. Sinunui. Shoes. I have how many pairs of shoes right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 pairs of shoes in this house, and all my heels are at home. So what makes you think I'll be buying heels this year? I am not going to be buying. I will not buy them, not unless I have to buy them. And these shoes that I have here, the ones that are in good condition. The rest, I threw them. Why? Because they are 200, they are 100, they break, they... I'm not buying. I think I'm not buying this year is hair accessories. Can you see my hair? You guys, can you see any accessory on this hair? No, have you seen any hair accessories? If I show you the hair accessories I have in this house, you will not believe that my hair is this blunt. It should be having something, but it has nothing because I buy them and I don't use them. I am not buying hair accessories. I am not buying scrunchies. I am not buying clips. I am saving up all that money. And I came to look at the way I spend my money, and most of my money is wasted on small things. Things that I don't use. A clip here, sijui nini here, like that, and all my money is done. And at the end of the day, it's 1,000 that you spend, and you're not using those things. So that is something else that this year I am not putting my money into. Another thing I am not going to be buying in 2021 is these food stuffs. Listen to this list: mayonnaise, moringa powder, cayenne pepper. Why do I put my money into you? Explain to me why I put my money into you. Guys, I bought cayenne. It expired. Do you know how spices take long to expire? It expired. And I went and bought another one. I have a full bottle here that I never use. You know why? Because every time I'm making food, there are people in my house and they don't like cayenne, so I cannot use it. So I just use black pepper. And right now my body is used to black pepper. Once I eat cayenne, it will mess with my tummy. Why do I buy it? I am not buying it. I have a whole pack of mayonnaise here, a whole full bottle of mayonnaise that I used to eat salad with until I got my body goals, and I'm still buying. I am not buying it again. I will not buy. I feel like this is a list. I'm the African parent when you bring your shopping list for going to school. They're like, when you're annoying, this is useless. Cancel. I am being that African parent in 2021 in my life. Because guys, these things cost a lot of money. That mayo was like 400 bob. It's still in my house. It's full. Goodness. I'm not. Another thing. This one is a funny one because just the other day I had a friend over and they saw my pants and they were like, "Hi, Becky, why do you have so many pants?" And I was like, "I'm gonna get more." But then right now thinking about it, I'm not going to get more pants this year. I have so many pants in my house. I have 3 pants in my house. And like 7 sufurias. For what? For why am I buying other pants? I am not buying. I will not buy them. And pants are expensive. I remember one is those normal ones for like 300 bob, and then the other one was, this one was 800, and the other one was like 1,000 bob. Guys, those things are expensive, and me, I'm not putting my money into them this year. And another thing I'm not paying is cups. This is what happened. I bought a new set of cups. There's a lady I know that brings cups around here, and I get them for 100 bob each. The good cups, the ones you've seen in my vlogs. And this year I decided to switch out my cups, actually late last year. And I took all the ones that I had and took them home because they were still in really nice condition. I have never broken a cup in my house. And the first time I broke a plate in my house was the other vlog where I got injured. That was the first time I ever broke a plate in my house. And I've never broken a cup here. So all the cups that I had, I took them home and got new ones. Do you know at home there are like 2 remaining of those cups? They broke all of them. And all the other cups I have in my house are in good condition. And I keep buying more. I am not buying cups. The ones that I have, they will serve me so that I will now be saving money. I am not buying. If you're selling cups, I am sorry. I will share your business, but I will not buy the cups. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And the last thing on my list that I am not buying this year is cheap accessories. Do you see those Du Bois earrings for 200, for 100 that you wear today, tomorrow, and the other day they have rust? I am not buying. Those are things that I am not buying this year. I am saving up money to buy good, authentic, accessories. If it's silver, it's good silver. If it's gold, it's good gold. Or no, of course not the original ones, but at least coated, that is going to take a while before it rusts and comes off and becomes another weird, I don't know, color between brown and rusting and cream. No, that is another thing that I am not buying this year. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, comment down below the things that you're not buying this year. If I have encouraged you not to buy those things, say thank you to me. Like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. And I cannot wait to see you on my next video. From me to you, lots of love and light. Until next time, bye.